Hello, kitchen enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of amazing kitchen gadgets that you can find on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just love spending time in the kitchen, these tools are sure to make your cooking experience a breeze. Links of all gadgets in the video are given below in the description. So let's get started. Whisks by nature take up a lot of valuable space in your utensil drawer, but this foldable whisk collapses for easy storage. It's dishwasher safe and made of silicone-coated steel to save your non-stick cookware from scraping metal. With a twist of the handle, it goes in between a balloon whisk for fluffy egg whites or a flat whisk for blending gravy ingredients. Not only is this the cutest little measuring cup ever, but I use it for everything. Forget about digging through your drawer and picking up every measuring spoon before you find the right one. This angled measuring cup makes it easy to measure everything from vanilla in your cookies to tequila in your marg. Make picking individual leaves off your rosemary sprigs easy with this nifty gadget. The stainless steel tool strips the leaves right off your herbs. Its practical design features 8 differently sized holes labeled with animations, so you can strip everything from chard to tarragon. This compact egg-shaped separator is dishwasher safe and made for breakfast or baking. It latches onto the side of a bowl and prevents dripping on the countertop or the sides of your favorite pan. The separator comes with a plastic nub for easy cracking. Egg whites fall into a bowl while saving the yolk, and this gadget also keeps eggshells from falling in. Upgrade your home barista skills with this easy-to-use milk frother. Whether you're using it for morning matcha, powdered greens, or milk foam on coffee, or an extra fancy hot cocoa, you can even use milk frothers to create Instagram-worthy syrup patterns in your glass. The frother claims to work on all milk types, so go wild with the alternative of your choosing. Citrus Squeeze and Mist efficiently collects and sprays measured amounts of citrus juice onto food without the seeds. The pointed citrus reamer easily juices the fruit, while seeds are caught in the filter and not inside the reservoir. Markings allow for accurate measuring, up to 1 ounce of juice. A great addition to kitchen tools and serving accessories. Perfect for making healthy foods topped with a mist of lemon or lime juice. Great for spraying a fine mist of citrus onto fish dishes, salads, and vegetables, and more. Simplify your avocado preparation process using one tool for cutting, pitting, and slicing. This gadget has a soft, non-slip grip, so you can make avocado toast safely and efficiently. You can even use this versatile tool to cut kiwi, dragon fruit, and other soft fruits and vegetables. Prevent pasta in the sink mishaps with this clip-on strainer. The clips make it easy to attach to pots owed different sizes, and even lipped bowls. It takes up 1/4 of the space of a traditional colander and can withstand temperatures of more than 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Cutlery might take less time to wash than pots, pans, and plates, but getting in the nooks and crannies of forks can be easier with this BladeBrush. Use it to clean knives and protect your hands from the blade for a thorough, safe clean. Avoid slicing open sponges with this brush, with bristles that make the cleaning the cutlery a breeze. The textured hand grip claims to provide steadiness when dealing with soaking wet cutlery. These are my go-to for every cooking need, and the silicone helps to prevent the handles from getting too hot. Prevent those microwave messes in the first place with this splatter guard. There's nothing like a multi-purpose kitchen tool. The vent holes at the top of the guard allow steam to escape, but turn it upside down and it becomes a colander for rinsing fresh produce. Plus, it's collapsible for easy storage in a narrow space. The splash zone around your kitchen faucet can be an annoying thing to dry, not to mention an area for bacteria to grow. This splash catcher is designed to drain, keeping water and bacteria from collecting around your faucet. This washable silicone mat fits snug around the faucet for a neater sink and comes with grips as the perfect surface for sponges and soap to rest, drain, and dry. Put away knives forever with steel food scrapers. This allows you to cut, scrape, crush, shred, and divide your food, no matter what you're making. The edges also feature 1-inch marks for accurate measurements. When you're done cooking or baking, simply place these scrapers in your dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup. Bib aprons, also called chef aprons, are one of the best aprons for kitchen staff because they offer full body coverage and protect staff from spills and backsplash. Decrease time spent crumbling meat at the stove with this 5-blade spatula. Meat won't stick to it like it would to a wooden spoon, and its heat-resistant nylon saves your non-stick pans and cast irons from metal utensil scratching. The spatula is family-gathering friendly, so you can make mashed potatoes, crumble pounds of sausage, tenderize steak, or mash avocados for a smooth guacamole. Do you want to reduce the time to prepare vegetable meals? Our spiral cutter makes preparing vegetable meals a breeze. If you spiralize your vegetables, it only takes a few seconds. Perfect for preparing beautiful salads, vegetable toppings, or healthy snacks. Stuff your patties with cheese, onion, mushrooms, seasonings, or whatever your heart desires with the burger press. This gadget's non-stick coating makes the process easy. It comes with 100 wax papers to prevent freshly made patties from sticking to each other in the fridge or freezer. When you're done pressing, simply place the device in your dishwasher to clean it. A silicone pastry brush helps you create bakery-level pastries. This brush makes it easy to brush oil onto foods without using too much. The tapered design of the outer bristles lets you brush melted butter with ease, even over thin and delicate dough. The heat-resistant silicone bristles are easy to clean. They won't retain odors, shred, or clump. These containers come with super colorful lids and are ideal for small kitchens since they nest inside each other. Not only are these microwave, dishwasher, fridge, and freezer safe and are perfectly packable for condiments, salad dressings, and trail mix to go. Level up in zero-waste living with reusable K-cups. The difference between them and disposable ones is that you will use ground coffee, but you can use them exactly like a regular K-cup for a cup of coffee. You can find the links of all these gadgets in the description. If you want to buy them, you can go there and check it out. So guys, please thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get updates about my all upcoming videos.